Thanks for taking a couple minutes to watch this quick video to learn more about how we at the Equita Group can help you grow your business. If you're a struggling agent or agency owner and you're really just not hitting the numbers that you'd like to hit, don't worry. Take a deep breath. We can help you. So, to the struggling point that I just made, are you tired of the sales hamster wheel? At the Equita Group, we've been in business since 1986, and we've seen this time and time again. You go out, you work hard, you do a good job that month, maybe you hit your goals, maybe you didn't, but it all starts over again that next month, and you're not earning the type of income that you originally set out to earn when you first got into the business. Well, don't worry. We specialize at helping agents and agency owners get off of that sales hamster wheel. And the way that we're able to do that, very simple. We want to first find out what is holding you back. Are you on low commission levels? We see this all the time. There are great people who are great at what they do, still room to grow and mature and improve, but their compensation is just too low. A lot of the three-letter companies out there have you on low comp, and also in some situations, you're not even vested. You don't own your book of business. We can help you there. Also, from a training and mentorship perspective, there are a lot of agents out there that are just, here are some contracts, here's some leads, or go figure out your own leads, and they're just left to their own to figure this business out. That's not the way it should be. We take a lot of pride at the Equita Group in the training and mentorship that we provide to each and every agent. Now, if you're an agency owner, we also provide mentorship and help you with how to effectively run and grow your business. We don't tell you how to do it. Whether you're an agent or an agency builder, we don't tell you how to do it or micromanage you to death on your business. We provide you real examples, real life experience on how we've shown people how to do this successfully day in, day out, year in, year out in this business. So training and mentorship, we can definitely help you with. But then also, as I mentioned before, a lot of agents who get into this business and agency owners, they struggle with finding a healthy, consistent, quality lead flow. This is something that's kind of taken for granted a little bit, I guess you could say, at the Equita Group, because we've got that all handled and we have for years. We're keeping up with the trends. We see response rates. We see where the industry is going. And so we try and stay ahead of the curve, which has really helped us be able to provide a high level of quality lead and lead flow for the agents we work with. So if you're somebody who's struggling right now, you can't get enough leads or you're not getting good quality leads, no worries. We've got you taken care of. We've got a diverse lead program and lead platform that can help you. And we make $0 selling leads. We are not a lead money making company. We're a company and an IMO, FMO that provides leads as an option to you if you need support in that area. If your marketing is lacking, you're just not getting in front of enough people, or you want to ratchet it up, we can help. We've got a program for that. But the big thing is, for us, it is important to know what we can help you with. We got to be able to diagnose where are the issues that you're struggling with so that we can help you. Once we know, then we can grow. Now, I will tell you first and foremost, there's no Kool-Aid here. There's also no ego. We found that a lot of organizations in the business like to have a figurehead, an executive, a leader within the organization that likes to beat their chest and tell you that they're the greatest thing since round waffles. Essentially, they'll tell you they invented the business or that their way is the only way, when in all actuality, there are many different ways to be successful in this business. And the reason I say that is because every person, every agent, every agency leader has a different personality. But there's teachings, there's fundamentals that we will help you with and show you how to be successful. And we legitimately care about the success of the agents we work with. We are not a churn and burn IMO, FMO. Our goal, our aspirations are to help the agents obtain the level of success that they aspire to attain. And those goals and those aspirations are going to change as the days go by. You know, what may be important to you today may be, hey, I want to make six figures. I want to make $100,000 a year. That's great. Well, over a 2-3 year period, you're gonna see your goals change. You're gonna say, I want to go from making 100,000, I want to make 250,000. How do I do that? I want to go from being somebody that makes six figures to where I want to start building a residual income so that I can eventually not have to worry about every single month rinse and repeating and doing the same thing. No problem. We can help you with that. But know that with the Equita Group, there's no Kool-Aid, there's no ego. There's a community of people that come together from a leadership perspective, top producers and other agents that are going to all come together with that all boats rise mentality to help each other because we care about the success of the people that we work for. Now, how are we able to do this? Very simple. We've got a proven sales system that is backed by elite training and mentoring. Now, you're going to hear all kinds of things on social media and through marketing platforms about a proven sales system. I'm telling you now, as I mentioned before, we've been in business since 1986. We've literally learned this the hard way by going out, putting it in an application and doing it ourselves before saying we've got a proven system. And really, we're just going trial by fire here. We are non-captive. You are vested day one. We want you to know that you own your book of business. We don't make money selling leads, as I mentioned before. We want to be able to show you how to grow your business along with us. And that's where this relationship is important. Compared to a lot of other shops, as I mentioned before, where you're just another number, you're not with us. You're a part of the community, and we want to show you how to be successful. Now, as I mentioned before, also, six-figure income coupled and married with a six-figure renewal. We have cracked the code on this. And we've been working with some tremendously successful people over the years. And what we've done is we've taken the final expense and life insurance space, and we've shown agents how to get involved in the Medicare space. Taking one lead, going out and holistically and organically cross-selling to serve those clients better. And there's some real work that goes into doing it. But I will tell you this is very easy to implement. Our goal is to show you how to become successful selling life insurance and then show you how to pivot and become successful on the Medicare front as well. Now, if you're a Medicare agent listening in and watching this video, I can tell you we work in reverse as well. We have many, many examples of successful Medicare agents who aren't necessarily successful on the life side. They don't know how to actually sell life insurance. That's okay. We work either with you leading with Medicare and pivoting to final expense or leading with final expense and pivoting to Medicare. We also have successful mortgage protection agents who lead with mortgage protection and life insurance, where their main market is simplified term, UL, IUL. They're also able to develop a six-figure residual because of that certain segment of their business also being a potential Medicare client. So I'm telling you now for 100% certainty, we work with agents and we are showing them today how they're able to make six figures up front, current revenue cash flow, but then also on the back end, how they can successfully build a six-figure residual. We're doing it today. This isn't a hope. This isn't a dream. It's something that we're doing right now. I will also tell you, whatever it is, and this is the big item for this video and for this message to think about, what is it that's making you look? What is it today that you're struggling with in your business? You could be extremely successful, making really good money. Your business is in a really good place, but you need better commission levels. Or you're somebody who knows how to get out there, get after it, and work and make things happen, but you just don't have enough leads. You don't have enough people to see. Or you're somebody who really has the fire to be successful in the business, but you don't have the training, you don't have the mentoring. Or we find in certain situations that there's agents in the marketplace and agency owners who are kind of lacking the products that they need. Maybe they're selling subpar products. I won't name any carriers in particular, but there are insurance products that get pushed on agents at certain organizations. You have to sell this. This one is our go-to company. When in all actuality, it's not the best fit for the client, and which means it's not the best fit for you, the agent. So if you need an upgrading in products, we can help you with that. That's one of our specialties as well. We work with over 80 different insurance companies all across the United States. It doesn't matter if you're on the West Coast or you're on the East Coast or you're in the Midwest, doesn't matter. We're nationwide and we work with some of the absolute best in the business. Big companies, big name companies, all the way down to some that you've never even heard of, but they're great companies that have a niche in our particular markets. Now, I will tell you also for the agency builders out there, we do have a proven recruiting platform and training platform for agency builders. If you're somebody who has aspirations to build an agency, maybe you're a top producer who's looking to get involved in that, first and foremost, we don't pressure anybody to do it. It is not a requirement. It's not a mandate to do that. But for those that have aspirations to build a business, you want to share that knowledge and that opportunity with others in the marketplace, we have a soup to nuts, start to finish comprehensive agency builder platform. We've got recruiting platform that has built-in automation with AI, also full access to national agent data. We've got dynamic lead programs, as you'll learn about if you decide to move forward, that you're able to help agents and recruit to. Accounting and financial data reporting. Having visibility on your financial business is important. You can think that your agency's growing, you're looking at submitted numbers, but you're really not succeeding to the level that you should be because you don't have that financial visibility. We can help you with that. And also at the same time, we have partnership opportunities. For top producers that get into agency building, there's a lot of talk and a lot of conversation in the marketplace right now as it pertains to private equity getting involved in buying up agencies. What do you really get when you do a partnership or you do an acquisition? What we've found is a lot of companies who have done their due diligence and cut deals, they're not really getting what they should be getting for their business that they work so hard to build. B and C level stock options, multiples that are very, very low. We have a great opportunity for those that are seeking a partnership. You're not selling your business and walking away. If you want to be in the driver's seat and you want to be able to see your baby grow, we can help you with that with a true partnership. Audited financials, capital injection, technology support, earnout bonus, and you still in the driver's seat, being someone who is there growing the business and running the business. So if you're somebody who's interested in that, we'd love to have that conversation with you as well. If you want to learn more, you can click the button below, reach out to us, and we'd love to go into detail about how we can help you today start growing your business, put it on bedrock, put it on a solid foundation, and see the fruits of your labor.